Hey everyone, and welcome back. And today we're in for a little treat. We have a 1891 1 penny coin. So if that's something that interests you, then please stay tuned and let's look into this. Right then everyone, so today we are here looking at an 1891 1 penny. And this coin has definitely been round the block a few times without a doubt. It's definitely worse for wear, as you can see. It's got a lot of wear on it. You can probably barely make out the silhouette of what's going on there. But to start with, we don't have Queen Victoria on Queen Elizabeth on this one. We've got Queen Victoria on this one. That shows you how old it is. So this is the front side, and as I said, it's really badly damaged. I can barely make out what's going on with this, but as you can see there, just say Queen Victoria, barely make out the silhouette on her face. It's just been rubbed away, and then the background of her is pretty dirty. So yeah, not much really to say with this coin, except that it is very old and you definitely do not see many of these around, I guess, so often. They're definitely worth keeping in your collection. I wouldn't think this is valuable, and as I always say everyone, if you know if it's valuable or not or what, then please let me know, because I don't. But I would say there ain't much value to it, but it's definitely worth keeping because it is from the 1800s. You know, it's the end of it, but still, it's from the 1800s. And yeah, it's a well old coin. I do have a few older than this, but I'm not sure. Once I do find them and we dig them out, then I'll show you. But I do have a few that's older than this, but not by very much. So, other than that, this pretty much is the front. There's not much to say. I don't know too much about Queen Victoria, and if I can find a little write-up, I'll stick it at the end for you, just so you know how long she was in power for and whatnot. And if anyone knows how long this coin was in circulation for, please let us know, because I'm not really sure how long it would have been around. But this one, as I say, is from 1891. You know, I'd imagine it was stopped early 1900s somewhere, I'd imagine. But if you know, please let me know, because I don't know. So, yeah. Okay, everyone. So, that's the front side of the coin. Not much else to show you. The detail on it has obviously faded so badly, and the reverse side is not much better, I've got to say, so please bear with it. And if this is one of them coins that you want me to clean up and show again but in a better state, please leave your comments and I'll definitely do that. Clean it up and show it in a better state, because it is pretty bad. I wiped them over quickly and that's all I can do, to be honest, for now. But alright then, I will turn her over and show you the reverse side. Right then everyone, we are back, and here it is in all its glory. 1 penny. And then, as I said in the beginning, the date 1891. So this is a seriously old coin, everyone. Like, it's well over 100 years old. I can't tell you the exact date, but it's well over 100 years old anyway. And it's surprising that it's even still around, to be honest. And I got one. I couldn't tell you how long I've had this, but it's definitely a coin to keep in your collection. And as we look at it, the picture that's there, maybe a guy holding his staff, sitting on his shield. Someone of importance, maybe. But for those days, even the picture, looking at it, I know it's faded, but the actual picture is still integral. It's still got a lot of detail to it, considering its age and how they were probably minting coins back then. You know, it's still got a lot of detail to it, in all fairness. So, you know, the British have been minting coins a very, very long time, so it's definitely one of their earlier works here that's survived the test of time so far. So, yeah, that's it. Well, there we go, everyone. It's not much else to sort of say about it. It's just 1 penny in 1891 stated on there, and a nice picture. If I could get in any closer, I would. So that's the closest I could get to show you. As I say, if anyone knows anything about this coin, please let us know, and we can figure it out together, how long it might have been in circulation for and so forth. But if I can find a read up before I post this, I'll definitely post it at the end of this video. So, yeah, happy days. So thank you, everyone. This has been a little special coin for you today. And please stay tuned, please like and subscribe, and I'll be back very soon with another coin or some sort of treasure or something for you guys. So yeah, thank you very much, and I will see you soon. Take care.